Alright, good morning. I just got back from Walmart to pick up a few groceries. I don't make much during the week. I got me some bologna to make me some bologna sandwiches. And I wanted some macaroni salad. And I've got some minute steaks. And I've been wanting some liver and onion, so I got 2 packages of these. That way I have 2 or 3 meals out of that. Got me some more Cool Whip. And I like these. I buy 3 of these a week. They're the Marie Callender sweet and sour chicken. And I usually have them eat up in 2 or 3 days. And I got me some bread. I got me half a gallon of milk. And I got me some mayonnaise. So that's my haul today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And y'all have a blessed weekend. And thank you so much for watching.